Are you tired of clutter in your YouTube TV library? Today I'm going to show you how to delete recordings from your library in just few simple steps. Whether you're using a smart TV, computer or mobile app, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Open the Library tab. Start by navigating to the Library tab on your YouTube TV interface. This is where all your recorded shows and movies are stored. Select the show to remove. Scroll through your recordings and find the show you want to delete. 3. Initiate deletion. On a computer, click on three vertical dots next to the show title. On a smart TV, simply click on the show itself. Stop future recordings. Click on the option that says remove from library or stop recording. This action will prevent future episodes from being recorded. Wait for automatic deletion. Keep in mind that previously recorded episodes will remain in your library for up to 9 months before they are automatically deleted. Unfortunately, there is not an option to delete them manually right away. And that's it. You have successfully decluttered on your YouTube TV library. Remember, managing your recordings can enhance your viewing experience by keeping only what you truly enjoy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. What do you think of the new library design? Let us know in the comments below.